Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we've got a very special thing for you. I've got here with me a Capristo racing test pipe for the Lamborghini Aventador. Now, Capristo is a German manufacturer for high-end and exotic vehicles, and they started out their business making exhaust systems for Ferraris and have since branched out to manufacture for all sorts of vehicles, including the Lamborghini. These are racing test pipe kits because they're for off-road use only. The reason being is that they remove the catalytic converters, freeing the flow, but also making sure that your vehicle will no longer comply with the EPA regulations. With that said, let's start opening this thing. This box is what you get from the factory. It is about 20 pounds heavy. It measures 20 and a half, so 29 by 10 and a half, so 11 by, again, 10 and a half, so 11. It's a medium-sized box, and this is what it looks like from the factory. So let's begin. The box is secured by 4 metal staples right outside the top, and it's got tape with the Capristo logo all over it. Let's take these staples out first. They're fairly easy to knock out. Just make sure you got a nice knife with you. There we go. There we go. Now we can take the tape off. It's pretty much already off. There we go. You guys ready? Alright, let's open this box. Just gotta be careful not to poke myself with these staples. Oh, it looks like I'll need to actually take these staples out. This is hooked on to this. Alright, here we go. Can't tell if you guys can see it or not, but it comes with this awesome Capristo hat. Very nice. Luxury custom apparel. Finn Ryan. Nice touch. It looks like it comes with this this wrap right here to secure the exhaust. Oh, I see it. It's absolutely beautiful. Here we go. Look at this. Beautiful construction. This is meant to replace the catalytic converters, and it'll retain also the functionality of your O2 sensors, although they're going to be reading a little off because there's no cats, but they've got the bungs welded to them already. The welding looks pretty decent, and it seems like it's got some exhaust temperature sensor locations welded as well. The flex weave looks great, and it's a very light unit. It's very light, and it says it's got a little inscription right here. And I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it says Capristo Automotive, warranty until, well, I can't really tell. But it does say only for competition. And of course, on the Lamborghini Aventador, it's not just one, but it's also, you get a second one as well. So let's pull that out. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Beautiful. Oh, dropped my hat. You don't want to drop your hat. Here's your hat. And it also comes with nice Capristo hat, or Capristo pen. Wonder what color it is. It's blue. Well, there you have it, guys. This is a piece of beauty. It's almost like a work of art. It's a very reflective, shiny surface. And, well done. I can't wait to get this installed. And once I do, I'm definitely going to be taking videos of this experience. Well, I hope you guys liked this unboxing. I know it's not very conventional, but I hope that this serves to help you guys see what kind of boxes that these things come in as, especially for smaller racing test pipes from Germany. You know, you want to make sure that when you're paying thousands of dollars for something like this, that it's up to your satisfaction. And once I get this installed, I can't wait to take it out on the road and show you guys the flames that we're going to be spewing out. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes.